First, open the university website and go to the study section. In the study section, you will find an option to filter programs. Select English so you can view all English programs only. Now browse through the list of available programs and click on the one you are interested in. Once you open the program page, look at Key Facts section. Here you will usually see the language requirement mentioned clearly, such as English level B2 or C1. Click on Language Requirement section. This will take you to the page where the university explains what English proficiency means and which exams are accepted. On this page, you will see accepted exams like IELTS, TOEFL, PTE. For the program that required B2 level, the IELTS requirement is IELTS Academic 6.5 overall, minimum 6.5 in each module, listening, reading, writing, speaking. If even one module is below 6.5, it does not meet the requirement. For program that requires C1 level, the IELTS requirement is IELTS Academic 7 overall, minimum 7 in each module. Again, each module must meet the requirement individually. Important rule: you must not ignore. The certificate must be recent, usually not older than 2 years. All modules must meet the minimum score. If one section is below the required score, your application can be rejected, even if the overall band looks fine. So this is the exact way to check IELTS requirement. Go to your program, check key facts, open language requirement, verify accepted exams and match your IELTS scores with the required level. No guessing, always verify directly from the official page. That is for this video. I will see you in the next one.